Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. Today I'm going to show you how to play klezmer music. I'm going to give you a primer, a set of rules which you can apply that will make you play klezmer music. This is part of the November 2022 monthly challenge over on Accordion Love. Every month we take an accordion lesson and we apply it to people from all over the world, both beginners and intermediate players. We apply our learnings. Let me show you how to play klezmer music. So for the November challenge, I'm going to record, I have my loop pedal, I'm going to record a backing track, and your challenge is to play klezmer music over it. And I'll explain exactly what you can do. So let me record the backing track. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's the backing track. What we can do over it is play a klezmer scale. Good. That's what the klezmer scale was. Let me show you what that means. So I provide a backing track. There, just like in rock and roll, just like in blues, just like in tango, we have some common song forms. The same applies for klezmer. Given the first chord, a D, klezmer loves to drop down one whole note to the C minor and come back up to the D. And you can kind of hear that Eastern European Jewish lament, the da 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 da. Think Fiddler on the Roof. Think all of the klezmer songs that you know. That's a D major to a C minor to a D major. So what do we do over that? Again, the rhythm of what do we do over it? So we don't just play a D major, we don't just play a C minor, we play a combination of them, and this is the scale. You can write this down, I'll have it on screen. We use a D, half note up to E flat, whole note up to F sharp, G, A, B flat, and C. And if we play any of those notes over that rhythm, it sounds like klezmer. So again, D, E flat, F sharp, G, A, and then B flat, C. And let me show you a few things that you can do, and this is the November monthly challenge. Right, those three notes. You can go up, you can go down. You could keep going down from the E flat. Let's try going up from the F sharp. I'm showing you 3-note combinations. You could do 4-note combinations. You can go up and down. This is all improvisation. So how do you practice this? You take the backing track that I just recorded, which is available, and the November challenge is for you to practice your klezmer scale over the backing track. What I'd like to see you do is to try and catch the chord changes. It's to try and come up with something original, even if it's just going up the scale. Slowly. I'd like to see you try. So this is an exercise in klezmer, but also in improvisation. I'll do a little bit. I'll go from simple improvisation to more complex improvisation, including trills, ornaments, mordants, multi-fingered melodies as well. You could find all of those lessons on Accordion Love. Let's go up. Yeah, lots of room. I want you to just explore. When you're ready, post an audio example or video example over on the Accordion Love forums. Do that 6 times in a year. I'll send you an Accordion Love shirt. Do that 12 times in 12 months. Without missing a month, I'll send you an Accordion Love price pack. We have people that have done it. This is our 2nd year now. People have done it for 24 months in a row. Super, super exciting. It's an awesome community. I urge you to go over to the forums and see how other people are playing. And there are more detailed lessons in other klezmer songs where you could see these scales, this klezmer scale being used around other klezmer songs. So learn the scale, practice it in your 15 minutes of practice. I can't wait to see what you post on the November forum. Thank you.